I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back, but now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass.